Alright, so we're all parked up. It's 9:49. You know it's the Parc day because by this time of day you've done over 4,000 steps. Plan is to spend as much of the day here as possible, so I'll leave with our daughter about 5 o'clock. So we've got Pancake House booked now, followed by hopefully she'll sleep. I'll walk around the park a bit, go to the north side, the areas we haven't been, try and maybe do some Jardin sports activities, maybe football, pool, and finish with a swim before driving home.
The other one. See another one? Go to that one then. Next. Deer. Where's the fox? Yeah, well done. Oh. Gong.
After a lunchtime nap and a little walk around the village, we were more than ready for a swim. And since this was our last full day in the pool, we decided to leave the camera behind and just enjoy it. So instead, here are a few of our favourite swimming moments throughout the week. And if you've missed any of these moments, make sure you go back and check them out. I'll leave links to everything down below in the description. Enjoy!